गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स। IoT प्रोजेक्ट्स की सीरीज में मैं सेकंड प्रोजेक्ट लाया हूँ। ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लूँगा, बिल्कुल क्वालिटी कंटेंट प्रोवाइड करूँगा विद ज शॉर्ट पैसेज ऑफ टाइम। दोस्तों, कोड के लिए आप सीधे मुझे पिंग कर दीजिए कमेंट में कि नीड कोड, आई विल डायरेक्टली सेंड यू। राइट फ्रेंड, आज का प्रोजेक्ट है टुडे वी विल कंट्रोल द LED blinking. It means the turning of LED on or the turning of LED off. Controlling the LED using a switch, using a simple HTML page over internet. इंटरनेट की हेल्प से हम HTTP प्रोटोकॉल की हेल्प से, वेब पेज की हेल्प से हम एक LED की फंक्शनिंग को ऑन या ऑफ को कंट्रोल करेंगे। बहुत शॉर्ट में बताता हूँ, फास्ट बताता हूँ फ्रेंड्स। दिस इज योर ESP वाईफाई मॉड्यूल, लास्ट लेक्चर्स में देख लीजिएगा। इसको मैंने जस्ट कनेक्ट विद द we connect a LED. The anode of the LED is connected with the D1 and the cathode is connected to the ground. That is simple circuit, right friend? This is a code which I have already told you. Just send your email ID, I will directly share the code. So, friend, just type your Wi-Fi name, just type your Wi-Fi password, and friend, here is a simple HTML code, a simple HTML code. Wait friend, just a very interesting output. I just compile the code friends, just compile the code. It take hardly a minute. Just done, and directly I upload the code friend. Compile done, and then upload the code. Just friend, interesting friend. Yes, just wait till that uploading didn't complete. We have to wait friend. Uploading has been done. Just open the serial monitor, right? Just open the serial monitor. What it actually show in the serial monitor friend? This actually show in your serial monitor, right? Where's the code? This is the code friend, right? So this is your actual serial monitor. I need to actually uploading. Oh, it actually doesn't upload, it take time. Just wait. Uploading, done, uploaded. I just reset the switch friends, and we get connected to Pawan. That's a Wi-Fi, my name, that is Pawan, and automatically it fetch the IP address of my system, that is 192.168.43.52. without wasting time, just copy that IP and paste over that on your Chrome, right? When I paste here friend, and slash simple friend, so it automatically open a simple page. This is a simple HTML page over which we can control the functioning of LED over internet. So when I click on, you can see the LED on, right friend? You can see on the top that's LED on. When I click on option off, it automatically switch from on to off. Again, it is right now, it's in the position off. I press on, it switch on, and again it switch off. So this is a simple functioning friend. Directly comment, just give your comments and for your code, right? So just friend, you can see here, this is the what we call our HTML page over which we can control the functioning of LED using IoT module Wi-Fi. Friend, when I press on the what we call HTML on, simple on, you can see the LED will on. When I press on the second option off, LED will auto. Again on, you can see the change on the what we call a URL slash LED on. When I press off, again change the press of the URL. So friend, this is simple functioning: on, off, on, off, off. Thank you. Share your email ID so that I can directly send the code. Thank you friend, thank you so much.